Hello, my name is David Bryan, and I own the Blackdog family of companies. Since 1989, we have focused on being the best remodeling company in our market. We have a team of dedicated professionals who will take you through the entire process of bringing that project you've been dreaming about for so long into reality. In addition, we have Blackdog Home Services that is essentially our handyman division that will provide services for any smaller projects you might have. Lastly, we have a basement finishing division called Total Basement Finishing. And Total Basement Finishing has the best suite of products to finish your basement in a healthy and constructive way that will last you for years. We have showrooms in Salem and Amherst, New Hampshire that are fully equipped and ready to help you get your project off to a great start. Over time, we have focused on building systems and procedures and processes to create not only a great project for clients, but more importantly, a great experience during the process. So one of the ways that we help clients feel confident that they're going to get the right project in the end is by using three-dimensional CAD software. Our designers all have the ability to draw your project and then show you not only what you have now, but where we're going to and what your project can be, and we do that three-dimensionally. We care about making our clients happy more than anything else we do. We've designed and built our company around delivering a great experience. And even though we do a large number of remodeling projects in the course of the year, but every project we build the same way, with the same care and same consideration.